Have you ever looked at your lunch and wondered if it's actually good for you? Like, not just tasty, but something that gives your body what it needs. That's exactly what we're getting into today. This video is all about Canada's new food guide, how it's changed, what your plate should look like, and how to eat in a way that helps your body and your brain. We'll go through three main parts. First, what's changed in the guide. Second, how to build a balanced plate. And third, the healthy eating habits that matter just as much as the food itself. Let's get started.
Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com.
So first, what's different? Canada's food guide used to split foods into four main groups: vegetables and fruits, grains, dairy, and meat. It also used to recommend servings for each group. And it definitely pushed milk as a daily must-have. But that all changed in 2019. The new guide doesn't use food groups at all. Instead, it uses a simple image of a plate. Half the plate is for vegetables and fruits, 1/4 is for whole grain foods, and the last quarter is for protein foods. That's it. No serving sizes to memorize, just a visual to follow at each meal. One of the biggest surprises is that dairy no longer has its own section. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are just seen as one of many protein options now. Another huge change? Water is now the drink of choice. The guide no longer recommends juice or milk as everyday drinks. Water is what your body really needs. And that's what the guide wants you to choose. Now let's break down what should actually be on your plate. Half of your plate should be vegetables and fruits. This means everything from leafy greens and carrots to apples, oranges, and berries. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help your body stay healthy and strong. But most kids in Canada aren't eating enough of them. Only about 1 in 3 children meets the daily recommendation for veggies and fruits. That's why this part of the plate is the biggest. Then, we've got whole grains. This is where foods like brown rice, whole wheat bread, oatmeal, and quinoa come in. Whole grains are better than refined ones because they keep all the parts of the grain that hold fiber and important nutrients. Eating whole grains helps with energy, digestion, and focus. Last, there's the protein section. This includes meat, fish, tofu, eggs, beans, lentils, and yes, even dairy. The guide encourages people to eat plant-based proteins more often because they're good for your heart and the environment. So, a meal like a veggie stir-fry with tofu and brown rice would totally fit the model. It's not about eating perfectly, it's about building balance. Now here's the part a lot of people skip over, but it's just as important: how you eat. Canada's food guide now talks a lot about eating habits. One big idea is called mindful eating. That means paying attention to your food. Not just eating in front of a screen or while scrolling your phone, but actually noticing what your food looks like, how it tastes, and how your body feels while you eat. It's also about listening to your body, knowing when you're hungry and stopping when you're full. Mindful eating helps you enjoy food more and make better choices. Another tip from the guide is to eat meals with other people when you can. Eating with family or friends helps build healthy routines, makes meals more fun, and even encourages you to try new foods. Cooking more often is also a big part of the guide. When you help cook, you learn what goes into your food, and you start to understand how to build balanced meals on your own. Research shows that kids and teens who help with cooking tend to eat more fruits and vegetables. Finally, the guide reminds us to pay attention to food marketing. A package might say healthy or all natural, but that doesn't always mean it's good for you. Reading nutrition labels helps you know what you're really putting into your body. So here's what it all comes down to. Canada's food guide isn't just a bunch of rules. It's a tool that helps you eat in a way that fuels your body, supports your mind, and builds habits you'll carry into the future. If you focus on filling half your plate with vegetables and fruits, adding whole grains, choosing healthy proteins, and drinking water, you're already on the right track. And if you also take time to enjoy your meals, eat with others, and help with cooking, you're going even further. So next time you're making a meal or picking a snack, think back to that plate image. Are you giving your body what it needs to feel its best?
Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with Super Simple Sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work.